A decade before the first release of Photoshop, a weird gadget was used by many wedding photographers and portraitists to create one of the most awkward photo trends ever. The Curtis Combo filter holder is a cheap plastic solution for double exposure effects. By mixing different shapes during the double exposures, you will get a final creative image directly on film without the need for post-processing. The filters are using shapes to block light, creating dark spots on the frame. On the second exposure, those dark spots will become the place where the first exposure will show. I experimented with the filters to create my own ugly double exposures. Even if I can't shoot a wedding right now, I still managed to do some pretty horrible images.